Hello, and welcome to Picture Marketing Tutorial. In this video, we're going to see how to customize and send picture messages to your subscribers. Log onto the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Compose. Enter a broadcast name. This is for internal reference only. Enter the mobile numbers. You can either send it to a list or enter the numbers manually. Click on the MMS icon. You can either compose a new MMS or select from a pre-composed MMS message. Enter MMS subject. Enter the message you want the recipients to receive along with the picture. Now, upload your picture. You can send the message now or later. Click Next. Click Done to send the message. This is how the message will appear once received. Now, let's walk through the MMS Gallery feature, where you can compose MMS templates for future use. You can also send an MMS from the MMS Gallery. Click on Manage MMS. You can either add new MMS or use a pre-saved MMS template. Click on the pre-existing template to edit. You can add mobile coupons, click through URLs, and merge tags in the message. Click Save to save the changes. To send message, click on the send icon. Enter a broadcast name. Select an existing list or enter the mobile numbers manually. Click Done to send the message. To see the sent MMS message status, click on Manage MMS, then click on MMS Out box. Here, you can see the status of all MMS messages sent. Thanks for watching.